Night. From your midst of a night, I have some whispers from my soul, deepest and highest, you know. I'm a medium, always medium between fucking high and low down dirty. So, let me stream it from where I'm at. You know, that's winning all nights and days. Comprehend? Yeah, it's never finished. It's fractals of life. Yeah, till the end. I mean, it's infinite and also eternal. Yeah, both of us. East to west, north and south. Safe and sound. Yeah, ready? Yes. So, that's where I dropped. Enjoyed the golf, was shooting goals / scoring points. I don't know. So Lions won. Bio of my prior form can be resolved. Call Sherlock Holmes to unlock these doors, just to close them more with padlock of gold. Just to anchor those words overboard. Paint and phantom. It goes as it's random, even though all parental advisors are gone. Orphan now, high, alone, from before, from we was born, yet conjoined. Entrance to chariot, thought picking, but of course, twin flames will prevail. It's written in our natal charts and latest spells. My laugh, where shall we at home? In our own thoughts, wrapped in punchlines, plus smiles, we share across the path we chose. When those damn foes choked on coke, what, and foamed in toxic shock after my punchlines, I write every time I close my eyes as your life in music notes. All night, guiding crowd as light has, even if past, and his own home was dark as fuck, like a skull of Satan. Or this metaphor. But of course, blatant fountain / source of light over Manhattan from Detroit through Dubai shine loud. Yeah, the change we prayed for. Final, not fatal. And I am your half of soul, high on a divine. I'm yours and you mine. Not a porn star, but star to guide you from cosmos to across and overboard. Into life, over all traumas you came across as triumph of God after you divorced dark part of your own time and realized that regardless, it's not effortless to be aligned with heart while good been so poisoned in past. Love is God, water fire avatars by design as God of freestyle and freestyle of God, and that signal that we arrived intertwined, space and time read unite. Every night plus when daylight, dawn to dusk and back, shines above underground, straight up. From sky heights, posts will end up in graveyards, and I'm gonna dance on their graves till they break, so call it breakdance, straight up, that's my style. But if justice o'clock, thank you Lord Pack, proof juice, see a kill, and all of those I see is real in this industry and outside. On a fast speed, count and tire what alive. And what's not whisper, my whisper is registers as magical fixture. I'm this screw you missed, plus this piece you found. Indeed, I do insist for you to receive importance of this portal of rhymes as I sang, protected on mic. However, you ain't stranger to reckless, so my candles dances along sensei. Jedi March, ready or not, you might smile. Here I come to them. Marisa, teach me immediately. Love ain't on Netflix, it's right now. I know your heart is crazy. Yeah, I heard it. But I ain't allergic on chestnuts, so maybe Slim Shady was victorious. Whoever lived, stop pretending that you called the size. Yes, you had me. You are love of my life. Stand up, stand up. It's emerging as insanely important to jump through this portal into trust. So I did. Join me. Shine loud. Even without Jason Voorhees' mask, I endure each act of your presence within space and time. You know it. You must feel it even in here. You know, it's kind of chilly on X platform where we survey future, and that's owned by Elon Musk. Sheesh. Dust to dust, ash to ash. Yeah, we fly like phoenix. We rise above past. Yeah, every day we have behind fertilize garden. We just started. Yeah. Right. So I sound my witchy ass back on Alpha. Be sure that every moment you need me, wherever you are, whenever you are, I'm present in this sound and in silence and within actually your presence and resilience and everything what you smile at from now. Yeah, we combine. Right? I love you, Mars. Yep. If you needed to hear it with my very voice from this very now, you got it here. I love you. You are my reason to be in life, and your happiness is my purpose, not only from my dreams. Yeah, I manifested this, and this is real. Right, abracadabra. Feel kissed.